It's a winter wonderland, mofo. Get it, girl, get it, get it, get it. I know, that's what I said. This is the bullshit you don't want to deal with. Mofo. Yeah, it's fluffy. I think I hear Taylor Swift playing on the radio. I told you I went to the car wash the other day and the machine broke when I'm trying to go through it. The guy said he'd mail me coupons. Well, this is the kind of stuff, if we get going down the road, it should blow away. Motherfucker. Excuse, excuse. It's cold! It's cold, it's cold, it's cold, it's cold! My hands are cold. They're going numb. Mother fridger. This has to be 4 inches, don't you think? Oh, Jesus Christ, help me. I think it'll blow off once we get moving. I really think that. See how dangerous that car's barely creeping out of here. They know that they can't go fast or else they'll be toast.
Wow.
Love you, love you, love you, love you. Get home safe. I will text you when I get home too. I'll be putz. Give me an hour. Yeah, I'm gonna go slow. I assume 79's probably shit, don't you think?